So today, man, I'm making y'all this quick video because I want y'all to hear. Obviously, from my past video, I know I was talking about the exhaust because the exhaust sounds a little different than it usually does. So first off, what I had done to it is I cut the Flowmaster off and just straight piped it because the Flowmaster had started to get a rust hole in it, and it's obviously probably from the snow, from the salt. I live in New York, so it's a lot of that. The car's been through 3 winters, so it was just time to take it off. But I got it straight piped, and it's a hit and miss for me. Like, I like it and then I don't like it because it sounds a little raspy, high RPMs, but it sounds real good at low RPM. So I'm just gonna give y'all a quick little video, man, how it sounds in regular dry mode and sport mode. I do like the verbals. The verbals and cracks and pops are a lot louder than they were on the Flowmaster. So hopefully I can get some cracks and pops in there for y'all and y'all can hear it. Here we go. Yo, them cracks and pops be sounding so good. Little rev, nothing crazy, little rev. it does. But I'm gonna do a quick couple revs and that's it, man. I'm gonna see y'all later, man. Enjoy the rest of y'all day, man. Peace.